G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're talking about this knife, but there's two other I need to show you. Okay, so this knife, let's just do that. This knife, do you see this one looks shinier? Let's see if I can turn off a light. Okay, this knife, oh there, we can still see some of it. It was outside. Okay, this is the Glow by, no, sorry, let me turn on the light again. Okay, this is the Glow by Rough Rider, but this is not a normal one. The previous one I showed you in a video, I think it was a Halloween knife thing, was this wonderful thing. This is my my Hawkbill Glow knife. Okay, and then I got this thing. This thing is marvelous. It's a half hawk. Okay, we explained all the things by half hawk. It's pretty much a Hawkbill that's been cut off almost halfway. Okay, so now it's more of a sheep's foot, technically a ram's foot. Go check the videos on these things. Anyway, so it's a wonderful knife. I really enjoy these Rough Rider half hawks. Okay, wonderful knife. Let's check it out. Beautiful back spring. No gapping that I can see. The pull on this thing is awesome. It's like maybe a 7. So it's quite a hard pull. These, what do you call it? Slightly hollow ground blades. Here we have our clip point blade. Beautiful. On the blade it says RR and Rough Rider. Nothing else. We have our beautiful nickel brass bolsters with a ring. No big R for anybody that do not like that. And then nice walk and talk on this thing. And then our big blade. Same thing. We have a shield on this. I cannot see if it's right side up or not. But you hopefully can. And I'm actually wearing my spectacles. Okay, there we go. Okay, Rough Rider with the R's back to back. Nice half stop. Nice walk and talk on this guy. Okay, and then these scales, if you read the box, it says Glow, the knife with the handle that glows in the dark. Okay, this one is for this guy that I'm going to be moving out of the way now. Okay, that's my Hawkbill Glow, and this is the half hawk, the one we're talking about today. So the code on this thing, RR2494, and then it just keeps repeating the same little message everywhere. It's a knife and it glows in the dark, and it does, and that's beautiful. And then quick reverse to a few months ago when I showed you this awesome thing. This is the Celestial. Okay, this is the Celestial. This is a big, what do we call this thing? 3-bladed Stockman. Okay, so we have a nice big coping blade. Well, yeah, I suppose you can call it a sheep's foot blade if you want to, but I suppose it's more of a coping blade. We have a spay blade. Very nice. All of these are 440C. Not one of these rub. Well, that one can't. Each blade is centered extremely well in its own little channel, and this thing is just marvelous. It's a huge Stockman. I really enjoy this knife. It's one of my favorite braai knives, and it also glows in the dark. Let's do a thing. See if I can at least show you something. Not really yet. Okay, but anyway, if you look at it, you can't see it. Okay, anyway, you can see these little pieces around the swirls glowing a bit. That's beautiful. Okay, so I like this thing, and if you've watched the review on this thing, I'm sorry, I did not know it glowed in the dark. Glowed in the dark. But now I know, and now I like it even more. And it was one of the comments that told me that. So if you know things I don't know, which is going to be a lot, I suppose, then let me know. Anyway, I like these air forks. Wonderful, wonderful knives for pretty much anything. Carving, opening things, using it for a tip, doing anything with this thing is great. We need belly to cut meat, so if you want to cut meat, that thing is not going to work, but I suppose you can cut whatever you want that you can't with that with this wonderful pen blade, because it's quite big. How big is the pen blade on this thing? 2 inches. Okay, and these days EDC knives are not that big always, so 2 inches of curved blade should do you well. Did you hear that snap? Listen to this. That is awesome. Okay, so there's my hair fork glow. I really like this thing. Okay, I'm going to braai now. If you want to follow along, please do. Oh, sorry. Let's just quickly see. About 4 inches closed and about 10 centimeters closed. So this is an awesome, usable size hair fork. And why I really like the hawkable pattern on which this is based is this wonderful sway back. Means you can use it to cut your biltong. You can use it for that. It works for everything. Such a versatile, awesome, awesome knife. Okay. No, I'm not going to do 2 videos today. I'll only do 1 today. I still owe you 1 from Sunday, so tomorrow I'll do 2. Although I'm working until like 2 o'clock tomorrow, which is a Saturday and sad, but it's fine. Okay, all of you, watch me braai. We're just doing hamburgers. Okay, it's Friday afternoon, just started the fire. And we're doing hamburgers. Very plain burgers today, because it's for the kids. They asked for this. Okay, fire is burning quite nicely. We can hear the doves in the background. This is nice. Okay, my son is cleaning the grill and we have Champion beef and pork burger societies. 2 packs, 8 of these marvelous things. Okay, we have them on the fire. It's still 7,000 degrees Celsius where I live, but at least the meat's on the fire. Okay, first turn. This is looking like something is happening. Delicious. Okay, we have some sharp cheddar on these guys. We're waiting for it to melt slightly and then we're making burgers. Like I said, very, very relaxed burgers. This hot dog sauce on an easy bun and that's it. Okay, now let's go make burgers. Okay. They call this stuff big hot dog sauce. Delicious. All of you stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Give yourself a thumbs up. Like normal YouTubers, I should actually ask you, please subscribe, please comment, do all of those wonderful things that will make the algorithm think I am cool. Thank you very much. Goodbye.